Hi, in this tutorial we want to learn how to insert our stairs and also how to place railings on the stairs and on our balconies. So we've made a lot of progress. We've been able to insert windows. We've also been able to insert doors into our building plan. So let's proceed. So the first thing I will do is I will change my visual style back to 2D wireframe. Then I would measure. You need to measure the flight of stairs that you have. So I'll type DI, enter, then click here and here. So I have 600. So that means I have two threads of 300 mm each. So just go over here, click on stairs. Now you need to be careful that different stair types. Let's click on the style manager. We can see we have so many types. We have steel, wood house, wood saddle. If I scroll up, ramp, concrete, half wall, so many types, but I will stick to the default one, that's using a concrete stairs. So just you can go ahead, hit escape, or just click anywhere. Just take your cursor outside the style manager. So I'll come here. Now I need to check my direction. What direction is the stair going? It's going upwards. Okay, I can change it to downwards, to go downwards. Then we also need to check, okay, the thread is actually meant to be 300, so I'll correct that. Then the width is 1.2, the width is 1.2, the height is 450, that's the height over here. So I need to confirm that width. Then my justification, is it left, is it right? So I'll switch right. Okay, so let me press hit escape, then just confirm the width of the step, DI. Okay, I mistakenly hit DI, enter. So let's check, click here and click here. So we have 1, 2. So I'll go over here, select the stairs again, just make sure everything is what I placed it in. So I'll change this to down, concrete, change my thread back to 300. Then I would click here and click here. So you can see it's not well positioned. So don't bother, don't stress yourself, just come over here, click here and click here, hit enter once done. Then I can just delete this. Now we can check this out by changing the visual styles. You can see it looks good. Conceptual, it looks good. So I'll change it back to 2D wireframe. So now let's introduce our railings. So you need to click this drop down arrow, click on railings. Now there are different types of railings also. That's what makes this software unique. You have so many types: guardrail, pipe toe, guardrail pipe, but I actually prefer this, just one divider in between. So I'll leave it at the default value. Then another thing you need to check is, we want to check where are we attaching it to. So I'll change this to stairs. Then what offset from the edge of the stairs do you want? 50 is okay, that's actually 2 inches. I'll leave it at the default value. So once that is set, you can come over here, click on this edge, and it sets up your railings. Go over here, click on this. Hey, that was a mistake. So I can undo, enter, come over to this edge and click. So I have my railing set up on both sides of the stairs. Once done, hit escape or enter. So another thing is I need to place my railings here also, and also here. So what I'll do is I'll measure DI enter again. Okay, I'm too fast for my system. DI enter, then click on this edge and take it to this edge. So on x-axis I have 1505. Then I'll come over here also, DI enter, measure from here to here. I have 770. So these are all these lines you have here from the XREF. The railings were actually drawn for this earlier. So I'll come over here, click on railings one more time, scroll down, change it from stair flight to none, then leave it at the default style, then carefully click here, then just make it easy, just type 1505. Once done, hit enter. Then you come over here, you can take it from this edge. Okay, let me use this edge and just take it here. It's easy, you can also type 770. So once done, I hit escape, enter and escape. Now I have my railings fully set up and my stairs also fully set up. So let's just check this out on our conceptual style, and also let's check it out on realistic. So you can see it looks really good. Thanks.